to activation, I'm healed, to cellular restoration, regeneration, activation. It's going to be a mixture of identity and spiritual frequencies and work in this video. I am healed. Prepare your place where you're going to lie down, where you can close your eyes or sit down comfortably, please. And for the next few minutes, it's just you and me. We want to activate infinitive intelligence of life moving within you. So for the next few minutes, if you can, take a deep breath in and out, in through your nose, out through your mouth. But this time I would like, if you could possibly, just slowly fill up your lungs, hold it gently and release, and again, breathing deeply into your body, into your mind, and release. And with every release we are surrendering, and allow your shoulders to soften. Follow my voice, and if you doze off, that's okay. You can re-listen to this again. Allow yourself to surrender in this moment, and each one of us is looking for different things, so this is perfectly if you're here listening to this and you want to press the activation that you're healed. Not that you're healing, you're healed, it's already done. So this is the video for you. Allow yourself and allow your body to connect. Connect from wisdom from within your body, and your life from within your body, and intelligence from within your body. There is a switch inside of your body. Because I wanted that for the first time, you're not meeting your body and yourself with fear. We're meeting through universal love, through the breath what we take, which is oxygen, which is life force. And right now, if you could feel the energy above the crown of your head, which is top of your head, being activated, opening. A light so beautiful that there is no words to describe it. And humans can experience this as source, divine intelligence, universal consciousness, gods, or just purely, in my world, just energy. Allow yourself to connect with it and imagine this light descending gently. Breathe in and breathe out with it. Imagine yourself opening to the light, where we are going to release resistance. Because what I'm going to invite in this present moment is the guides to come in, your guides to come in for you. And now allow, and if you hear me doing this with my hands, it's okay, it's just the energy. And allow the guides to come through. And they'll come through with a beautiful light. In this present moment, we're just a physical body vessel, but our soul, it's been here before, it's eternal. So I'm calling in across every region, every space, for them to come in, to help, to guide, and to release the fear from your mind in this human experience, an iteration where you are right now, to release the fear from your mind. Because I want you not to need to rehearse at what you don't want. I don't need to create tomorrow from yesterday. I want you to choose to be here now, in this body, in this breath, in this moment. Now, although here around you and around your body, with the energies illuminating you through the top of your head, through your throat, through your neck, through your shoulders, chest, heart, lungs, abdominal area, pelvis, legs, all the way into your feet, until your body is illuminated from within. But I want you to do something different. I'm inviting you today to go travel inward, beyond your skin, beyond your muscles, beyond the joints, cartilages, beyond the organs. I want you to go in microscopic world within you. Just imagine I'll take you onto this journey. This is what they're showing me today in this present moment. Become aware of the trillions of cells that make your body. Yes, it's trillions of cells that make your body. Simply just see them, tiny worlds of life, each participating in an extraordinary process that keeps you alive. And imagine the white golden light reaching every single cell. Take a deep breath in and out, and every single cell. And while we have your guides, they're helping you to do this. You're safe. From the crown of your head to your fingertips to the soles of your feet, light is everywhere. And silently say this with me. Every part of me is surrounded by love. Every part of me is worthy of love. Every part of me is healed. And I'm sending peace to my body, gratitude to my body. You need to say this. And now we are going to imagine moving into deeper into the single healthy cell. Imagine the main brain surrounding the cell, the intricate structures within the cell. My favorite part is called nucleus. The extraordinary activity happening every single second. And throughout your cells, imagine there is mitochondria. Some of you know me for years. Even when I was a nurse. So that mitochondria, I always said, it's our life source. The structure that keeps your cells transform nutrients and oxygen into energy for human bodies. Imagine the thousands and thousands of them like little tiny lights. You know the little, what they call the insects in our time when there's a little light of them? Imagine yourself like that. One begins to glow, then another one, like a domino effect. And I want you to see millions of these little lights illuminating the darkness. See them glowing, see them with energy, see them with every breath, and imagine those lights becoming brighter. Not because you're forcing your biology to do something, but because you're giving your mind a new image to rest upon. And this is what we're changing. Image of vitality, image of energy, image of life. And breathe into it and imagine this constellation of light through your entire body. You know, like constellation of the stars, this is within you. So your brain, your heart, your muscles, your organs, your intestines, your skin, your bones, blood, millions upon millions of points of light. And this is how I see every one of us and every single human being and every animal. And I want you to quietly say this with me. Life is within me, energy is within me, and light is within you. I honor the intelligence of my own body. I want you to say that. Say it again. I honor the intelligence of my body. Now imagine your body doing what bodies have always been doing. Renewing, repairing, replacing, rebalancing. Cells completing their natural cycles and a new cells being created where the body naturally creates them. Old cells completing their journey and your tissues participating in the normal process of maintenance and renewal. And you don't need to command any of that. You don't need to even understand the mechanism of how it happens. The job in this moment is simply to stop fighting your body and begin to loving your body and every single of that cell. Imagine every breath carrying the message. I'm with you, I breathe. Yeah? And then say, I trust you, and breathe in and out. Say to yourself, I love you. Breathe in and breathe out. Say to yourself, which I hear the most, I am listening. Listen to your body when it gives you little nudges. And now bring your awareness to any part of your body that has been surrounded by fear. Did you find it? Where is that place for you? You don't need to name it anatomically. I just want you to simply become aware of it. And maybe if you feel comfortable, if you can reach it, you can put a hand on it. But if you can't, it's okay. So now, together, we are going to bring attention to it. If you can feel comfortable, put a hand on it, but bring attention to it. And maybe a fear appears, or sadness, or anger, or uncertainty, or maybe nothing. Maybe nothing. But it arises. And we don't need to push it away. We're not doing that. I want you to put a hand on it if you can. If not, put a mind to it. And surround that entire area with light. And your guides, their hands. Not because we're fighting something, but because this part of your body is not your enemy, because this part of it deserves love, tenderness, light. Imagine placing your awareness around it like with loving hands, yeah? And say, I refuse to hate my body from now on. I refuse to make my body my enemy. I choose to make my body with love. My body is my temple. I'm one with my body. Let that land. Let your body relax, because your body is no battlefield. Your body is your home, and for me, I love to say it's always a temple. But use whatever words you feel comfortable with it. Your body is your home. And today I want you to simply return home. Imagine beautiful light surrounding this entire area. Above it, below it, around it, from the side, through the whole space surrounding it. But what I want to do is something different. Now we're going to pull and we're going to look up in the sky, and higher than our area, higher than the sky, all the way to the stars or to a sky where we can't even see it, that the light is around us and coming within our body. So through the space surrounding it, and allow yourself to feel, not fear, but love. Not punishment, but love. And so what are we going to do is breathe into with that light cascading to us, to our space, to our body. And we give our body permission to rest, or permission to receive support, our body permission to use natural process of renewal and repair. And this is what we're activating now, a process of renewal and repair. And you're working with your body now, not against that. We're breathing in deeply into renewal and process of repair. Now I want you to bring the awareness to your heart. And your heart is glowing with extraordinary, like rose gold light, like almost pinkish orangey light. And with every heartbeat, imagine that light moving outwards. One pulse, then another, like a waves. Moving through your chest, through your abdominal area, through your arms, through your legs, through your entire body. Imagine each wave carrying a message of peace and more peace. And allow your body to experience peace now. You do not need to wait for the answer. You don't need external circumstances to give you permission to experience peace. Peace is available now. And from a peaceful place, we can say this now. My body is loved. My body is supported. My body is resting or rested. My body is nourishing our nourishment. My body is healed. So now we are going to see there is another light appearing within your heart, and it's an emerald green light. Deep, rich, beautiful, the energy of restoration, the greenness. And imagine this green emerald light merging with the white golden light already within you. And it's green, it's gold, it's white, flowing together, cascading together. And imagine that light traveling through your blood vessels, circulation, which carries it into your tissue, which carries into the space within your body, surrounding every cell. And imagine your entire body bathed in it, from inside out. And now, rather than asking your body what is wrong, I want you to ask your body, what does it need furthermore? Become quiet. Just listen. And we simply ask. We change the relationship. You're no longer standing outside and judging your body. You're communicating with it. Lots of times when people come and see me, this is where we work on, especially in the medical sessions. So the answer sits here. What is body trying to tell you? Just listen to it. What would loving you look like right now? I just want you to become aware of it. Just hear it. The identity you have been carrying while moving through uncertainty. Perhaps somewhere along the way you become the person waiting for an answer, the person afraid of what might happen, or the person scanning the future, or the person watching the body, and the person waiting for reassurance. Just want you to release that identity, because you are not your diagnosis. You are not your test results. You are not your scan. You are not statistic. You are not your fear. You are a whole human being experiencing this moment. And there is infinity more to you than anything that's happening within your body. Let that land in what I just said. And imagine stepping beyond that frightened identity. See it falling away like an old garment. You know, like when you take your bathrobe off before you go in the bathtub or in the shower. See it falling away. And we are going to put it into the, as in Australia we say, rubbish bin. Never going to see it again. And then an old garment. And underneath, there you are, a raw, beautiful, healed you. The human being beneath the fear, the human being beneath uncertainty. Whole, present, powerful, connected, alive. Feel the human within you. Feel it. Illuminate it. Every cell is just glowing. And now furthermore, imagine this, that you go, after you took a bathrobe, into like cascading waterfall or the shower, if you feel comfortable with this, in your mind. And all the water is washing away all of the things. And this is your rebirth. And now we're going to be meeting with a version of yourself. A new, upgraded version, healed version of yourself. I want you just, for the sake of it, I'll say meet her. Or meet yourself. After the waterfall. Look at her in her face, look at her eyes, look at how peaceful she is, and how she breathes, and how she moves, and how she talks. There's something different about her, isn't it? She trusts life again. She trusts herself again. And she's not waking every morning looking for something to fear. She's living, she's laughing, she's creating, she's loving, she's receiving. She's set her boundaries. She's looking forward and she walks. And she's standing in front of you right now. She's putting her hands on your shoulders. Hug her if you feel comfortable. You two are merging together as one. And what I hear it from her is this: welcome back to your life. Healed life, upgraded version, high frequency, whatever words resonate with you. But for me, it just resonates. The healed version of you. Feel what is happening to your body right now when you hear those words, when I say that. Is your posture changing? Your breath? Because what changed right now for you? I want you to write this down later, or you'll repeat it right now, but later on you'll write it down. I'm whole, I'm supported, I'm deeply loved, and I'm safe in every single moment of my life. I'm connected to the source, to the life, to me, and I'm available for what I choose to be available for. Yeah? And I'm available for extraordinary possibilities. I'm healed. Say it again. I'm healed. Not from desperation, not from trying to force the outcome. Say it from deepest love towards yourself. I'm healed. I'm healed. Let it healed me more than the physical body. Healed in your relationship with yourself. Healed in a way you speak to your body. Healed from living every day in anticipation of something. Healed from believing fear deserves more authority than love. Healed from abandoning the present moment for imagined future. You're healed. You're whole. You're here. And say this with me. I'm alive. And now I want you to feel the gratitude. Not gratitude because you have been promised an outcome, but gratitude because life exists within you. Gratitude for your heart, your lungs, your cells, your body, your consciousness, the people who love you, the people supporting you, the medicine, the herbs, the knowledge available to you, the unseen support you believe surrounds you. Allow the gratitude to become bigger. Let it fill your chest, your entire body. Let it extend beyond your skin, beyond the room, into the space around you. Imagine yourself becoming surrounded by the most extraordinary field of white, golden light. Stay with this. Allowing yourself to be supported from every single direction. And now we're going to say this. God, source, divine intelligence, I surrender what I cannot control and guide me towards what supports my highest goodness. Guide the people caring for me. Guide my decisions and guide my next steps. And while the path reveals itself, help me remain here, in love, in life, in the present moment. Take a deep breath in and out and release, and again release, and breathe in the light and breathe out the fear, and breathe in the love and breathe out the resistance. Breathe in possibility and breathe out the need to know. Now see those millions of tiny little lights within you once more. Your cells, your mitochondria, your nucleus, your living body. A universe within a universe, and simply witness it. Just love. and say this with me. Thank you, body. Thank you for every breath and every heartbeat. Thank you for everything you do that I never have to think about it. Thank you for carrying me, communicating with me. Thank you for being my home. And for today, I'm choosing to speak with love. I'm choosing to listen, to say this to yourself. I'm choosing to listen to me. I choose to support. I choose to live. And one final word, what I want you to remember: I'm whole, I'm loved, I'm supported. I'm open to healing. I'm open to renewal. I'm open to life, and I'm healed within my spirit. And I'm allowing my body to receive every support in what is available to you. Allow the light to remain within you. The light was never separate from you. I want you to remind you of that. You are light and you are love. And we're going to make a bold statement. I am healed and I'm available and I'm ready and I receive. And when you're ready, you can open up your eyes. Some of you after this would feel that you want to have a bath or ocean swim. Some Epsom salts, maybe a handful of salt, essential oils, a cup of tea or sacred cacao will be absolutely amazing. Journaling after this. Re-listen to this as many times as you need to remind yourself of that you are healed